Hi everyone and welcome to another video from Danka Praktik. Last summer we bought ourselves a new 3-seater sofa. We chose the Danish manufacturer Jysk and the sofa is the Gedved model. In this video you'll see how we put it together and our impressions about this sofa. So stay tuned.
Danka Praktik.
The unboxing. The complete Gedved sofa comes in a box that's not too big and is pretty easy to transport. We managed to fit the whole box into our small station wagon, our trusted Skoda Fabia. The box did stick out a bit, but we drove it home without any problems. If you have a bigger car, or even better a pickup, then it can probably fit completely. On this part, we must say that the box is made from quality cardboard, so if you like, you can fold and keep the box for later if you perhaps sometimes decide to dismantle, move or store the sofa somewhere else. When you open the box, remove the protective foil. You'll see how Jysk managed to compactly store a whole 3-seater sofa into a box of this size. It is worth admiration. Inside the box, you'll find a manual for the assembly. Besides the usual safety warnings, which you should of course follow, you'll get clear, precise and easy to follow instructions. The manual is mostly graphic and all of the parts you have to put together have numbers on them, which is very straightforward. So just follow the pictures from the manual and the numbers on the parts and you shouldn't have any problems putting everything together. The assembly. We first took the sofa out of the box. We recommend opening the box from both sides. It is much easier to pull the whole sofa out. On this part, we recommend having someone to help you, although all of this can be done alone with some patience and strength. Also, it would be good to have enough space around you for working. We then turned the sofa upside down and unzipped the lower protective cloth, since the cushions and other parts were stored inside the frame of the sofa. As you see, the frame doubles as a storage bin, and this is again a very practical solution from Jysk. Once the parts are out, you'll see that all the parts have numbers and letter tickets on them, which is important for following the instructions. You will also get a set of tools for doing the job, so you will not need any more tools besides this. So now we just follow the instructions. First, we installed the backrest that supports the cushions. Here you can see how easy it is to follow these instructions. Simply thread B goes into cushion 8. You find the plastic bag with the B mark on it. With the threads, you find cushion 8 and that's it. It is almost impossible to make a mistake and the whole assembly is like this. We first screwed the threads into the backrest. Then we connected the backrest and the frame. We aligned the threads with the holes in the frame, inserted it, put the washers and nuts on the other side, and tighten it with the tool we got. After this, we zipped up the protective cloth. Next, we mounted the wooden base legs. There are 4 legs with 4 plastic washers that are simply screwed into place. Then you put the protectors on the legs, which prevent them from scratching the floor. And this is what you get. As you can see, the Gedved sofa is almost completely assembled. Now install the armrests, which are held in place by Velcro. On the sofa, peel off the protection from the Velcro, align the armrests, and just stick them to the sofa. Next, put the backrest cushions here. There is no Velcro, just follow the numbers of the cushions from the instruction and put every cushion into place. And there you have it. The sofa is completely assembled. It took us in real time less than half an hour from unboxing to finishing. Once more, we must say all the best about how user-friendly and practical the whole assembly system is. Even if you're not good at these kinds of tasks, you should manage easily. Even better, if you know your way around, it's really a piece of cake. Our opinion of the Gedved sofa. In the end of this video, a short, humble opinion on this sofa. For an affordable price, you'll get a comfortable, well-designed, quality-made, nice-looking 3-seater sofa. The fabric used is nice to the touch, warm during winters and not hot during the summer. The cushioning is made just right to give good support, but it's not stiff and uncomfortable. The sitting position is very good. You can sit for hours in the sofa and not feel discomfort. It's even good for sleeping, especially if you remove the backrest cushions, then you get a real bed if needed. Besides all this, the Gedved sofa is not heavy and can easily be moved around by one person. As mentioned, if you want to disassemble and store it, it can also be done without much fuss. All in all, we highly recommend this sofa. You'll certainly get your money's worth, but what's more important, you'll get a quality, long-lasting product. We've had our sofa for the last 6 months, and to be honest, we are very satisfied. On this part, we would like to thank Jysk for making a good product and a good sofa. That's it for this time. Please like and subscribe, it's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching our video and thanks for your time.